Hi everybody, I'm Stephanie Jameson with Sister Rivers Realty, and today I have a special guest, Spencer Fuller, with me today from Fairway Mortgage, the Wood Group, and he's going to help us answer some questions that may be myths or information we didn't know about as far as the loan process goes for buying a home. So one of the big myths I think is out there is, do you need 20% down in order to purchase a home?
It's a good question, Stephanie, and no, you do not. That is kind of an old school thought, and it used to be the case, but now in today's age, we have different programs that offer no money down. We have down payment assistance that help cover your down payment requirements and potentially some of your closing costs. So yeah, no, you do not need 20% down.
Okay. And then what does somebody need, what do they need to gather before they even start the loan process? Before they call you, what do they need to gather?
Yeah, it's super helpful depending on how somebody's paid, whether you're W-2 or self-employed. If you're W-2, grab 2 years W-2s and 30 days pay stubs. We may not need all of that, but if you have it handy, it just speeds the process up.
Okay.
If you're self-employed, then try to have your last 2 years or the most recent 2 years tax returns that you filed handy so we can review those as well.
Okay, perfect. And then what about credit score? I know there's some myths about it needs to be 620, or can it be lower than that? And is it a different type of loan? Can you explain that to us?
Yeah, and that's going to vary from program to program and from lender to lender. But generally speaking, we can go down as low as 580, and that would be for FHA and VA loans. Conventional loans are a little bit higher, generally around 620 is the credit score you need for that.
Okay, perfect. Awesome. What are some important steps that people need to take in the loan process that would be very helpful on getting their loan approved, speeding it up? What is the time frame? What are some things that...
Yeah, so it's all dependent on how organized the borrower is. If you have your ducks in a row, it's super simple. There's an application that will take you 5 to 10 minutes maybe. It's less information than going to a new doctor. So the application, having all the income documents together and the asset documents such as bank statements. Okay. Once we have all of those together in one place, usually within 24 hours, you'll get a turnaround, you get an answer, you'll get hey, we're good to go, or okay, here's a few steps we need to work on, and then you'll be good to go.
Okay, awesome. Well, thank you for that.